So what we have a modular house in a warehouse. We're gonna lift up one end of it. We're gonna remove these two brackets and the ones in the middle. We're gonna jack up this side. We're gonna remove those two stands. We're going to remove the ones in the middle, and then we're gonna build it up on 6x6. We're gonna lift up the back, and we're going to have our rollers with our dunnage on top of our rollers, and we're gonna find out where they go, and we're gonna sit it on our rollers. And then we're gonna move to the front again, lift it up, and then lay it on the steering wheel. And then we're gonna hook onto that with that telehandler, and we're literally going to tow it out. We're gonna tow it outside. We're gonna set up the 50 ton. We're gonna pick it, and we're gonna put it on the trailer.